Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about minerals and ores. But before we go towards minerals and ores, let us understand different terms related to our topic. So first thing that we are going to talk about are the natural resources. Now what are natural resources, children? Natural means nature, yes, and resources means something from where we can obtain profitable stuff out of it. Okay, so natural resources are the things in the nature which are useful to us or which satisfy our daily needs. What do you see in the nature, or what do you see around you? You can see soil, sand, you can see stones, minerals, air, water, plants, and animals. So all these things which are present around you, they satisfy your needs in some or the other way. Yes, and hence we call them as the natural resources. But now, in this topic, we are specifically going to talk about the Earth's crust. Now, what is Earth's crust and where is it present? Earth has got three layers. The first one is called, or the outermost is called as the crust. The middle one, the red one, is called as the mantle, and the innermost is called as the core. But here we are going to talk only about the upper layer, which is called as the crust. So, normally the Earth's lithosphere, if you see here, this is the lithosphere. Yes, this much portion is the lithosphere. Now, this lithosphere is made up of land and hard crust beneath it. Now, the lithosphere is normally made up of many types of rocks. So, let us see what resources do we find in the Earth's crust. So, we find various minerals in the Earth's crust. We find ores, mineral oil, water, and rocks. So now we are going to talk about the rocks in our coming topic. Okay, so now we will first start with minerals. Now, what are minerals, children? Mineral is something which is naturally present in the nature. It is a naturally occurring compound which is there in the nature. If you see, it has got a definite composition, a definite chemical composition. It has got a proper structure, a crystalline structure also. Okay, now these minerals are formed by various processes that are taking place in the environment. Now, the rocks on the earth are normally made up of minerals, these minerals. Now, how can you identify that it is mineral? If you take a naturally occurring stone, a stone if you take, you find that in that stone, there are at some places you find a lustrous or a shiny part, right? That shiny part is normally a mineral. Okay, and these minerals can be obtained by the process of mining. See, you can see these various examples of minerals. These are, if you see, they have got nice structure, they have got a crystalline structure, even they have got a nice shine in it. Yes, so these are naturally occurring. We have not made it. They are naturally occurring compounds which are there in the nature, and hence they are called as the minerals. These minerals can be obtained by the process of mining. Okay, now let us proceed towards the ores. Now, what is an ore? Now, normally, an ore, it is a rock that contains, see, it is a rock. If you in all the three pictures, it is some kind of a rock which contains the metal which can be easily obtained by or mined profitably. Like if you see, if you talk about the gold ore, if you see in that rock, there is gold present in it. So, what is a gold ore? A rock with a gold in it. An iron ore is a rock with iron in it, and a copper ore is a rock with a copper in it. So when this amount of ore, when this amount of metals are high in any rock, then we call it as the ore. Okay, now these ores, it is normally very economical to obtain metals from the ores. So in general, what do we say is that minerals that contain high proportion of metal are called as ores. Okay, now look at this. Examples of minerals, if you see here, examples of ores. These are the rocks which contain various types of metals in it. Like you have the examples are cinnabar, which is an ore of mercury, okay, or sphalerite, and which is an ore of zinc, or cassiterite, which is an ore of tin. So these are various examples of the ores. Thank you.